In number 51, you need to estimate each value using the box and whisker plot shown. On the bottom here, I show you where the min or minimum is, quartile 1, the median, the quartile 3, and the max are. And in order to get the interquartile range, you take the Q3 minus the Q1. In number 52, what you need to do is you need to look at the dot plot and you need to find the middle number. So you need to find the one that's exactly in the middle, and that would be your median. And then also give the number of the one that happens the most, that is your mode. In number 53, it's going to be beneficial for you to maybe take a look back at number 36. If you don't want to, I'll briefly go over the process in order to get the equation of the line. What you need to do is you need to go into your stat button on your graphing calculator and edit your lists. What you're going to do is you're going to put the years, into your L1, and then you're going to put the number of calculators in your L2. Then what you're going to do is going to go back to your stat and you're going to calculate and then do, I think it's option number 4, which is linear regression. And that's going to give you the equation of the line in y equals mx plus b form. Now they do have an a where your slope is instead of an m, so don't get those confused, but your a is going to be your slope. Then what you need to do is substitute in the 2012 in for your x and then calculate how many calculators would probably be in the year 2012. In number 54, your best option is to do exactly what we just did in number 53. So make sure that you clear the lists on your L1 and your L2. Then what you do is you basically put in your points that are on the data or on the table shown. So I helped you make a list here of those points, and I did the X and the Y. So you're going to take in your L1, put all of your X values, and then in your L2, put all of your Y values. Go ahead and do your stat, go over to calc, do that linear regression again and get your equation. And what you're going to see is that you're going to get approximately 2.87 for your A, and then 9.07 for your B, and then you have to determine which one of the given equations that are there closely match the slope and the y-intercept given after you calculate your regression equation. Number 55 is again using a box and whisker plot. I reviewed what each of the points are here, so you need to determine the median. In number 56, you want to estimate the percentage of data that's less than 42%. Just as an overview, in a box and whisker plot, each one of these sections represents 25% of the data. So, what you need to do is look at your box and whisker plot, see where 42 lies, and then look how much of your data is less than 42% and give me a percentage that matches up with that. And then in 57, you find your maximum number and you find your minimum number and you subtract, and that'll give you your range.